In today's video, I'm going to show you how to underline text in Google Forms. Whether you're trying to make your titles stand out, highlight important instructions, or you simply want your form to look more professional, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google form in your browser and create your form just like you normally would. Go ahead and change the heading or question name to whatever you want it to be. Once you've typed the title, keep it in mind because we're going to style it in the next step. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, open a new browser tab and search for Fancy Text Generator or Made in Text. Both work perfectly for this trick. Click on the first website that appears. This tool lets you generate underlined, bolded, or stylized text that Google Forms normally doesn't allow. Once the website loads, look for the underline styles in the menu. These are preset text designs that automatically add formatting for you. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you copy your exact heading or question text before pasting it into the generator. Doing this beforehand saves time and ensures your formatting matches perfectly when you paste it back into Google Forms. Now, paste your original heading text into the text box on the generator website. Instantly, you'll see several underline styles appear, some single lines, some double lines, and even decorative underline options. Choose the one you like best, then simply copy the generated text. Once you've completed these steps, head back to your Google form and paste the styled, underlined text into the question title or form heading. After that, you should be able to see your text displayed with an underline. Even though Google Forms doesn't offer this option directly, it's also a good idea to preview your form afterward. Taking this extra step ensures the formatting appears correctly on both desktop and mobile views. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to underline text in Google Forms easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?